Welcome to the Nexus of Forces, a confluence and integration of cloud, mobile, social collaboration, and information. A time of accelerating change where your IT architecture will be rendered obsolete. Now, you must lead through this change, selectively destroy low-impact systems, aggressively change your IT cost structure. This is the new world of the Nexus, the next age of computing. Now, to understand this change, you must appreciate each of the forces. So let's take a look at each of them individually. First, cloud. Cloud is the carrier for the three other forces. Mobile is personal clouds. Social media is only possible via the cloud. And big data is the killer app for cloud. Cloud will be the permanent fixture, the foundation. Our second force is that of mobile. You need to design your business around mobile. Your customers and employees are, in fact, leading you there. In 2016, over 1.6 billion smart mobile devices will be purchased globally. 2/3 of the workforce will own a smartphone, and 40% of the workforce will be mobile. So what can you do with this channel to your customers and to your employees? Well, you see, mobile is about computing at the right time, in the moment. Our third force is social computing. Social computing is moving from being just on the outside of the organization to being at the core of business operations. It is changing the fundamentals of management, how you establish a sense of purpose and motivate people to act. Social computing will move organizations from hierarchical structures and defined teams to communities that cross across any organizational boundary. So our last force is information, or let's call it big data. By tapping a continual stream of information from internal and external sources, businesses today have an endless array of new opportunities to transform decision-making, discovering new insights, optimizing the business, and innovating their industries. 80% of business executives can today name a critical piece of information that they need from IT. That's from you. The Nexus also accelerates the information economy. In fact, it creates a new layer in the economy, which is about information, turning information or data into revenue. This will accelerate the growth of the global economy. It will create jobs. Gartner predicts that by 2015, 4.4 million IT jobs globally will be created to support big data.
Welcome to my future, and to your future as well. Let me swipe it up here so you can see it. So here's my life. Probably not too different from yours. I work in a large multinational organization. I guess that you could call me a professional knowledge worker. My business, my professional existence, my family, and my personal details are all represented here in my virtual world, my personal cloud.
And big data is being used not just to analyze past events, to look at what happened, but to look at what's going to happen in the future.
This is actually an incredible time to be a CIO. Your CEOs want you to make your impact felt where the enterprise meets the outside world, where the revenue is generated and the mission accomplished. They want you to unleash the forces that will differentiate your business.
This is an extraordinary time in human history. IT is changing the world. IT professionals are changing the world. IT is at the center of every business, every government agency, from the back end all the way to the edge and way out to the customer, where the money is made and the mission is accomplished. You are not simply the IT leader of today. You are the IT leader of tomorrow.